beating the bugs so far. Hey guys, welcome back to Baker Brews. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Donna, and here on this channel we chat about homesteading in the city, and I share a ton of our family adventures. Today's spooky adventure, we're going to see if our chickens that we got this year will carve us a pumpkin. For the chickens here.
Throw the wonkiest one at the end there. Eeny, miny, mo.
That one?
Yeah.
What kind of face there?
Sure.
Like he's gonna get eaten?
Like a oh no
A
face.
scared
No.
face?
No, scary.
I think he should make a oh no face.
Fine, and this pumpkin will be mine.
My one eye! It's perfect. That is ready to go outside. I hope these girls like their treat. Okay, so to encourage the chickens to peck the pumpkin, we are going to be putting these soldier black fly larva treats, which they absolutely love these things, so it should work this time.
I'm excited to see if they'll eat.
Me too. I wonder if they'll eat it. Are you girls curious?
Yup, looks like they are.
Look how curious they are. They're like, either let me out or let me at her. I'm not sure which. Let's see what they think of this guy. Okay, so I'm tempted to put some on it right away, just to see and really encourage them.
In there.
Yeah, some in there.
That
too.
one's
Oh,
black.
I don't like touching them.
I like touching them.
Ooh,
They're cool.
I don't. I think they're kind of gross.
They're scary?
They're scary.
What? They're dead.
I know, but it's scary to mommy.
They're not even about.
Oh, I know, honey. You're not scared at all, but mommy is.
I'm kind of scared when I touch them too.
I'm scared when I touch them.
When I touch them, it feels like that they're moving. Close the door of the
Here, chickens. Come here. Come here.
Now I think they're gonna eat it.
Oh yeah, let's
They're getting
see.
close.
They're getting close.
They're like, Skywalker.
Don't spook them. Don't spook them. Let them find it. Find it. Oh, Skywalker, always the first one.
I wonder if they're just gonna eat the plain pumpkin.
Yeah, I hope they eat the pumpkin. That's why I put the bugs there, so that they would eat the pumpkin. It's like, come and eat the pumpkin too, you know?
Some of them are eating pumpkin.
Yeah. I put it this way so I could put the bugs on it.
These don't tall enough.
Mm. Here, we'll sprinkle some more bugs on for them since I brought a whole cupful.
They just dump it all.
Dump it all?
Yeah.
Then they're just gonna
Feast it all.
they're just gonna feast.
Yeah. It's like still when I touch them. It's like
Yeah.
when I.
Ooh. Yeah, I know,
I'm gonna
right?
dump this other thing.
Not yet. They're still working on their bugs.
Hey, no, I saw that. BB, BB, come and eat more. BB, BB, oh my God, I love BB.
Leia, Skywalker, and Kylo have found it so far. They just found all the bugs. They know not to be afraid of us because they're super treats over here. Oh my gosh, they're totally carving it. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to see what it looks like. Look at them going for it. Oh, it looks like they've got all the way to the guts. Wow, those starving chickens. Oh man, this is gonna be so good. All right, those silly chickens ran away, but let's see. Oh my goodness, it looks bananas. Oh, I can't wait to show the kids. Oh my gosh. Boys, come and take a look at this.
What?
Come and look at this.
They ate.
Look at how much they ate.
They ate it. Mom, they ate all the way almost to the inside.
I
Look, Mom, this
know.
eye is like
Wow. They were eating that pumpkin like crazy.
Look, they even dug their own hole.
I
Goodness, this is a good spot where they should hide.
know,
When it's too cold, like chickens. Chickens did that.
Oh, is it ever spooky?
Now it's spooky.
It's very spooky.
Look at his mouth. It looks like his mouth is whipping.
Yeah, it looks like he's got like 4 eyes. Or this was his nose right here.
Yep.
Here was the mouth. This was an eye, and this was his other eye. But they found some extra holes.
Mom, look.
Good for them.
Mom, Mom, look. So you see, this was his eye.
Oh.
That was part of his eye, Mom.
No, this was his eye. Right?
No, would it be funny if they digged into this hole and then that, and then this was the eye we did,
Oh yeah.
and then this one was, and it's like this was the eye and this was the eye,
Yeah.
and then this was his nose, and then this was his mouth.
Interesting.
Actually, no, this was his nose, and that was.
Okay,
His
I'm gonna spin the pumpkin now to show.
Don't you forget and like and subscribe. Good job! We get to own the surprise. Don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, and don't you forget to like and subscribe.
Don't you forget to like and subscribe. Oh yeah, let's go.